talilong, talilong. Oh, natingala. Kala. Tawa na tayo.
Interview, interview. Portion. Okay, here we are at Jollibee. We're here. We are here with Ramon Baltasar, and we're gonna ask him about. Sorry.
I love my life right now.
Hold on, I'm not done yet. Okay. How's your love life?
My life is love, full of love.
What's your motto in life?
Sa love you so, ako talaga mo, ako yung motto. Yung motto ko, life is good. Well, because, you can turn back time, and every time you should treasure the moment that you're together with your loved one, and that's it. Thank you. Yeah, a little bit nervous. And then. Another fish stone, please.
What?
Another fish stone.
Oh, another question.